remove it without damaging the cable. So that's a challenge. So let me get ready and I'll remove the bees. And the bees. The beehive has moved from here down to here. Left with a little bee. Some of the bees coming back from foraging trips, so you just need to wait for all of them to get into their hive. Job is done. Hopefully they are happy with the service that I do, that saving the bees and solving their problem. No chemical, no fire, no smoke. Bee don't go to other places, just stay with me in the garden.